Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. I'm going to recap last week's swing trading stock. So I gave you accuracy shipping to buy at 187. Yes, a decent growth from last week's closing level 187. Am I right? Yes, 187. I have to go to daily chart and see what's the breakout. 10, 9, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this one. 187. No, here. 187. So 180, 187, 189. And then my SL is 185. So 180, 189.90, 180, which means only one target is hit. So one target is hit. Second stock was Arcade Ply Decor at 50 rupees. So where is Arcade Ply? 50. Yeah, as you can see, it was an easy peasy trade, 54 rupees. Only two targets are hit. Two targets hit. Stock number 3 was Arihant Capital Markets rather at 164. There was a huge 164, no, 168. It has gone as high as 168. Where is the daily chart? This is one. Okay. So we are similar to Arcade Ply Decor. Two targets are hit in Arihant Capital Markets as well. Last one was Della Magnets at 77 rupees. So we'll go to weekly chart 77. As you can see, price did not reach our entry level, which means it did not hit entry level. Stock number 1 that we will be buying in next week is Sutlej Textiles and the level is 82 rupees. As you can see on weekly chart, there was a huge fight going on between buyers and sellers from 55 rupees till 70 rupees. In last 2 weeks, including current week, we saw buyers breaking free in form of higher highs, higher lows pattern. Going to monthly chart, there are huge prospects in line. I am looking at target excess of 100 rupees. So we have to keep holding the stock until it goes to 100 rupees, and after that, depending upon the price action, we can either sell it or keep on holding it for longer duration. Second stock that we are going to buy is Specialty Restaurants. On weekly chart, I see a very good breakout level in prospect above 111 rupees. Pay attention, this was a long range bullish candle, but it had a long wick on top end. After that, sellers came into the picture, but they could not push the price any lower than 85 rupees. In current week, buyers are at it again. They are buying with decent quantity And a great thing about the formation of candle is that it does not have a longish wick on top end, which means most of the buyers have not sold their stakes, and if they see a breakout above 111 rupees, it will give them more incentive to keep on holding it. And if that does happen, then there will be a decent momentum. I'm expecting more than decent momentum up to 130 or even 140 rupees. Third stock is Nandani Creation Limited, and we have a channel pattern breakout. The breakout did happen in current week, and the great thing about the breakout is price closed above the breakout level. We see often that there is a breakout, for example 500 rupees, price go over 505 and then close it below 500. So that's not a breakout, that is a fake out. Here, in case of Nandani Creation, the breakout is in full force. So if price goes above 56 rupees, buyers can again come in, and as I have told you multiple times, the ultimate target of a trend line is the beginning of it. In case of Nandani Creation, I see trend line begin at 77 rupees, and that will be our ultimate target. So there is a sizable profit to make in Nandani, and I am definitely going to buy it no matter what happens. Fourth and final stock for next week of swing trading is Damodar Industries. We have a promising breakout above 53 rupees. As you can see on weekly chart, there is a a W pattern breakout. So W pattern is a extremely bullish breakout pattern. So this is a W pattern breakout, and one thing of note is here the support was 38 rupees, and now the support level is elevated to 40 rupees because buyers are buying at higher level, and at the same time sellers are dropping out. So if everything goes as per our analysis, we should see a decent growth in stock price. I'm expecting 65 to 70 levels in the course of next week. These are the levels. I will be sharing a screenshot of it in my Telegram channel. As I always say, we have to put only 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss in a trade. We should not go overboard if we want to maintain longevity. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.